The "Please wait" message on your Spectrum cable box typically means it's stuck during startup or having connectivity issues. This is often due to software bugs, signal problems, or hardware glitches. To fix it quickly, first power cycle your box by unplugging it for 60 seconds. This clears temporary glitches. Next, reset your modem or router to refresh your IP address. This renews network connections. Then, check your coaxial cable connections for any looseness or damage. This ensures signal integrity. Finally, try forcing a firmware update via the Spectrum app or the box's menu if available. This updates software to resolve compatibility issues. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, the issue may need more attention. Accessing diagnostic modes can reveal error codes for targeted fixes. Consider switching to Spectrum's app-based streaming options on devices like Roku or Fire TV to bypass cable box hardware issues. As Spectrum moves towards cloud-based infrastructure by 2027, such problems are expected to diminish. Spectrum is also using AI for predictive maintenance to prevent errors proactively. In the meantime, ensure your equipment is up to date, as older boxes are more prone to these issues. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support for further assistance, or consider a hardware refresh.